Here I have ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or a series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and then when you adjust in a normal photo mode, what you have to do is to hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. Wait. Okay. It suggests me swipe the shutter button to the right to take a burst shot, so I did it wrong. Let's make it like this. So you just swipe it right, and yeah, now we take a burst shot. I took like 31 shot, and here we can. Okay. Here we can review all these shots and yeah, pick the one that fits us best. Just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.